This year we offer a really nice option, which is a wash down. It comes with a hose, so you've got your hose with your quick connect. There's a spot right here under the observer's chair, so you can flip the seat up so it's easy to get to, twist it in, lock it in, and then you just turn it in on the screen, wash down, and then you've got a nice high pressure hose, and this thing's got a ton of pressure. It can go hands-free so that you can just click it on and off. You can adjust your pressure right here, and then you can twist this to adjust to like a shower mode or a high-speed pressure pump. So makes it really easy to spray everything off. If you've got sand or anything that gets in the boat, you can just simply spray it off. Keep those kids' drinks from staining your seats. This is a great feature. Clean.